Hi friends, thank you for tuning in to the Traditional Listening Library. Today's story is called Respect and Take Care of Things. I'm learning to take care of myself and things around me. I show respect when I take care of things. After I use something, I put it where it belongs. Everything has a place. When I put things away, the room looks neat. It feels comfortable. And it's safe when I keep things off the floor. I can play with one thing at a time. After I use something, I can put it where it goes. Then we'll all know where to find it. I can help take care of things I use with others and things that someone else used. It can be fast and fun when we all help. Some things need special care. I can wash my hands and use things gently. That way they won't get broken or dirty. I can use things a long time and use only what I need. Things last longer when I don't waste. I need to wait until I'm older to use some things. I can use other things safely when I'm careful, or when someone older helps me. I can respect things around me too. Wherever I go, I can leave things the way I found them, or better. When I pick up trash and litter, I help keep places beautiful. I can recycle too. I can use things again or in a new way. People can trust me to leave their things alone. When I want to use something, I can ask permission. If the person says, "It's okay," I'll be very careful. I show respect for people when I respect their things. Some things are private, just for one person. I show that I'm responsible when I leave those things alone. I can take good care of things I use and respect all the things around me. When I do, everyone can enjoy them. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.